I've always been pretty bad at sports. Now, I play a lot of ultimate frisbee because I can't catch things, and a frisbee floats long enough for me to figure it out. When I was a kid, we came to Lambert's, home of the throwed rolls, and they threw a roll to me and I caught it. And it was like a sports highlight moment in my life. And now I'm back as a 33-year-old man to see if I can't do it again. I had a shoot today in Kennett, Missouri, which brought me all the way down here. Driving back up through Sykeston, so I thought, let's give it a shot.
X gon' give it to you. Wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to you.
We're comically close to the same table that I remember sitting at as like a 9-year-old. But if you're unfamiliar, Lambert's is a down-home southern cooking restaurant, only they throw the rolls. And again, you really want to catch one. So they also just come around and bring you food, and a lovely woman just brought me some fried okra that I just grabbed a paper towel, and they just pile it on the table.
Hi, how we doing over here, sir? Can you get something to drink?
Excuse me, I just had a mouthful. I'll just take some water.
Water? All right, guys,
No one knows the sign language for water. They haven't come by to throw anything at me yet. I can't come up with a good reason to not get the country fried steak. No one with rolls has yet to make eye contact with me, and I'm getting nervous. I'm sure some people drop their rolls. I don't want to be on the dropper list. Apparently I'm here on 80s night. Oh, they're right here.
Pyro?
Yes, please. Thank you. That wasn't really a challenge level throw, but this is a substantial roll. Like, borderline irresponsible. Covered in butter. It's quite the thing to throw around. Sure.
Sorghum or apple butter?
How do you beat?
There you go, sir. Enjoy, man.
Oh man, thank you.
Yeah, not a problem. I'll come check on you.
Would you like some macaroni and tomatoes?
I don't have room for it yet.
You can move that bowl for me and I
You
can
think
stick
so?
it in
Oh
there.
man, look at you. Providing solutions.
Yep, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my god. They gave me a mess. Now I still have about a 2.5-hour drive back to St. Louis from here. This is gonna make it pretty tough to stay awake on that ride home. If you've never had country fried steak, it's basically they take a steak and put a curse on it, and then I don't really understand how they do the rest. I did just drop my phone in the sorghum. It happens. This was a risk I took in bringing the phone out here. I am fast approaching functional capacity. And even though I didn't finish my first roll, I kind of want another one just so I can catch it. I'm gonna do it. Easy. Ooh. Oh, we did it. We did it, and my body's gonna recover now. Now the last question is, apparently there's some place like right next to here, yeah, that serves fried pies. I mean, I'm already this deep, right? Maybe. It's by the gas station I need to go to anyway. We'll take a peek. What am I doing here?
It's apple.
Cherry, blackberry, lemon. That's where I'm at. This is where I'm at in my life right now.
It's a weird combination.
No, not combined. I'm sorry, I was looking at the not multiple things. I'm deciding which single thing to get.
Oh,
And I was looking at my options here, and so that's why I was like, do I go cherry,
Well,
blackberry?
The pecan is so good.
All right,
and I
pecan,
was talking
stop.
about it.
I don't even need to.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, is
It's
it here? Is it ready?
Yeah, it's ready. It's really rich though. Is that okay with you?
So am I. That's,
What's your name?
I'm Sean, and you are?
I'm Celeste.
Celeste, it was a pleasure.
Pleasure to meet you too. Hope to see you again.
I'm sure I'll be back. I did it, and it's gonna be a problem. I'm gonna eat it while I drive eventually, so there will be no footage of this monstrosity. Sha-na-bum-bum. To St. Louis.
X gon' give it to you. Wait for you to get it on your